Bit of breathing space towards Fernandez. They got the second goal. That was a thought about the shot, and then he did hit it, and hit all that. Nambu deflected, caught himself. Oh, now there's a little bit of a find a route. Not the worst cross, although there was double. He passes to his brother, a thumping header. That was a little bit short, and a very important interception there, but Almadi it comfortably. It's another yellow card. I've frankly lost count, and it's a straight call down the back here. Almadi. I mean, he went for the spectacular, and here has to go, and he knows it. He knows it. All very well. Smiling at the official. Almadi and the goalkeeper. Maybe a shooting chance in for Zulkifli. Zulkifli. Again, it was too. Almadi might come himself off here, but he never got the bend. But doesn't have a great deal of support. Might have to hold it up. And then he passes the 9 men. But from their point of view, they are through to the